Hi there. Do you love apple dumplings? I do. It's one of my very favorite desserts. Today we're going to make a very easy recipe. I hope that you'll follow along. You're going to want to try this recipe. Okay, for the ingredients, we will need 2 sticks of butter or 1 cup of butter, apples. I sliced 2 larger apples. We'll be using 2 slices on each crescent roll. And then I have 1.5 cups of brown sugar. I've also made the recipe with white sugar. I'm going to try it this time with brown sugar. And then you'll need 2 of the 8 count crescent rolls. You can use the dough, you'll just have to cut them yourself because this time we will be using the little triangles. And then about a teaspoon of vanilla and about a teaspoon of cinnamon. And the secret ingredient is 7-Up. You can also use Sprite or Mountain Dew, but I'm going to use 7-Up this time, and I have 1 cup of that. So we'll go ahead and get started here. Grease 9x13 pan. Okay, I'll just take 2 slices here, and then you just simply roll it up. It doesn't have to look beautiful, but I am going to try to cover up all the apple. Okay, now we'll make the sauce. That was really fast, wasn't it? I've used, or I have made many apple dumplings in the past using pie dough, and that's a lot more time consuming. So we'll go ahead and make our sauce and get these in the oven. Okay, we'll put the butter in. We will start by melting the butter and the brown sugar. This is making like a caramel sauce to put on the apples. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stir in the cinnamon, about 1 teaspoon. You're just wanting to kind of melt the sugar so it's not grainy. That was one thing I didn't really like about the white sugar, was that it was still a little bit grainy. Tasted delicious, but I like the brown sugar texture better. Okay, we can go ahead and shut that off. We're just basically heating it through. And then I'm going to add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla or so. And stir that in. Then I will pour this over the apples here. Trying to coat all of them. Okay, now we'll take the 7-Up and just pour it around the edges. We're not going to put it right on the dumplings. I know it looks like a lot of liquid, but the dumplings or the crescent roll actually absorbs this in the oven. You'll see, they're just beautiful and delicious. Okay, let's get those baking. Okay, the dumplings have come out of the oven, and look at that nice thick sauce. We'll let it set for a little bit until it's a little cooler, and then we'll try it with a scoop of ice cream. This is delicious. You're going to want to try this. The recipe and instructions are down below in the description, so go ahead and check that out. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Come back again for more videos. See you soon. Get ready for the pop. That wasn't too bad.